Ayan. BMW M2 CS Club Sport. Then this is the M2. Wow.
It's the M2CS.
M2 CS. CS stands for
Parang ano nila? Parang club sport nila.
oh, really?
So, meron
Special edition pa.
merong M2, merong M2 competition. Tapos yung M2CS, it's a limited
Production.
production. So, only about less than 500
500 units?
units were imported to North America.
Wow.
So, ito, carbon fiber to.
Huh?
Carbon fiber yan.
Really?
Carbon fiber to.
Really?
Ang carbon fiber parts yan.
Roof. Oh. Looks like the BMW Laguna Seca blue color.
Almost na. Tapos gold rin.
Similar.
Na-anticipate ko to dati na darating siya kasi best car of the year sa car.
Car and driver?
Or Evo or car. Hindi sa European.
Or
European. Ang mga nagda-number 1 doon, mga GT3 RS, ganyan.
yeah.
Kasi ito, nag-number 1 siya for BMW.
So how did you find it? Did you
I was
pre-order?
anticipating it. I was anticipating it. Tapos sinitinan ko. Tapos I already talked to the dealership in Tuscaloosa na if ever a car comes in your way of this
Give me a call.
specs, give me a call.
Nice. Carbon fiber everything. Spurring too. Purring. Okay, let's get it together. M2 CS. Okay, let's get it together. Club Sport.
Club sport. Same route? Huh?
Okay.
This has the engine of the M3. It's rated at 450 horsepower.
450 horsepower.
Okay. Should have upgraded suspension, upgraded brakes, carbon fiber roof.
Okay, good. Okay.
Some interior are specific to this car.
Ayan.
Sa Germany?
Oh, tingnan mo.
Order mo?
Oh.
Diba? Kasi nintay ka ng antay.
Oh.
Ay, ba yan yun?
Tignan mo naman yung mga silya. Kita mo ang stitching. Daigang Louis Vuitton.
Ganda.
Oh, Alcantara.
Amoy ano pa, leather. Anong oras? Mga gabi, mga 7.
Apat na lang daw na kotse, ayos na. Balik tayo. Tsa, husay talaga nito ah. Yun.
Ayos. Okay.
Ayos.
Ayos. M2CS, nandito na tayo. Na-drive na ni Dan. Okay. Baterya pa tayo mamaya.
Oh. Meron ka pang papakita sa akin.